Hey guys, my name is Neil and today I'm gonna show you the Lego. Yeah! When I was 10, I really like Lego so much, so I'm gonna pour all this out. Oh, I got the girl. Oh, I got the girl. Lego. Cái tiếng cơ thế. Cái tiếng cơ Lego. Yeah, so.
Yes, I saw the video.
Oh, they never put legs anymore. They put this kind of brick. So I'm gonna build this.
Mama.
And this is the girl Lego. Yeah, and I don't know what's this or what. Just for decoration only. I think so. And this is the girl Lego. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. And see you soon, guys. Bye. Oh, this is the frog. Oh, the name is Princess and the Frog. I know this one. Oops. Oh, sorry. Okay. Bye.